so many ways you can roll snake eyes and the same amount of ways that you can roll 9.
There's only so many ways you can roll snake eyes in 9 and 7. Good.
So as you get closer to the middle, there's more ways to roll 7, so those are going to occur more often.
Good. That goes hand in hand with 10 you said about the average being 7. I love this. I love this. Let's come back to it on Wednesday. Don't do the homework for this next section, please. Work on your project. Work on that second project. Okay, don't worry about this. We'll finish this bad boy up on Wednesday and drive the point home then.
Do you have a math next, or?
I don't have a meeting after you two. I will come.
I have to ask you something about this.
Yeah, it's good. Go ahead.
What is the mean?
Oh.
The lowest?
Here's the deal. Because we had it in late, technically by syllabus, I had to give it a 0.
Absolutely.
And I'm like, I can't do that. That's ridiculous. So what I had to do was I had to basically make it fair for those guys who have time. So instead of grading it out of the max of 50, I graded it out of the lowest score someone that got it on time.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
So basically, you got a perfect score of -2.
Yeah, and could you explain that?
Sure.
Where I got
The
there?
average could be... The average can be anywhere from... Well, actually, the average is 3.
Yeah.
What it means
So
is the average distance from the average was 1A.
But I just
Never know.
the way that I get it.
You missed the point of what standard deviation is. I see what you're saying, from 2 to 4, but that's not, on average, 95% of the time you get between 1 and 5 minutes. The average is 3, the fixed quantity is 3. What the plus or minus 1 means is, if you add all the distances of all the data points from average and average those distances, you get 1. That's what I was looking for, the definition of standard deviation, as far as like an intuitive kind of explanation of it.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Crystal?
So I should have written it like, okay.
You have to use the word, I keep calling this, you have to use the word average twice in your explanation.
Okay.
On average, it's the distance from
The
average.
average from average.
Yeah, exactly, average from average.
Okay, and so when I was looking at my grade, so that was, it dropped from an A to a C, so that's due to that grade.
Hang on, let's take a look at that,
Yeah.
let's take a look at that. That doesn't sound right. See you, Michael, thanks, man. That was a fun day. Let me shut this down.